Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Mr. Arvind Kute and welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. Today we have introductory video lecture on the new or revised syllabus of compulsory English which is structured for the second year of BA of Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune. विद्यार्थी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो, आजच्या या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये आपण सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे विद्यापीठाच्या द्वितीय वर्ष कला या वर्गासाठी कंपल्सरी इंग्लिश या विषयाचा नव्याने रचना करण्यात आलेला अभ्यासक्रमाविषयी माहिती घेणार आहोत. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन ऑफ द कंपल्सरी इंग्लिश सिलेबस ऑफ द थर्ड सेमिस्टर ऑफ BA. This course aims at contributing to our overall personality development. We have to be a good human being before anything else. This involves instilling essential human values like tolerance, understanding, sympathy, respecting the differences, and living in harmony with nature, protecting the environment, etc. In our prose and poetry selections, we offered an adequate mix of British, American, Indian, and other writers and poets because we have to be responsible to an era of globalization, but at the same time we have to be rooted in Indian culture and ethos. म्हणजेच या अभ्यासक्रमाची रचना करताना आपल्या व्यक्तिमत्व विकासासाठी विविध मानवी जीवनमूल्ये रुजविण्यावर भर देण्यात आला असून यामध्ये ब्रिटिश, अमेरिकन, इंडियन आणि इतर लेखकांच्या प्रोज अँड पोएट्री म्हणजेच गद्य व पद्य रचनांचा अंतर्भाव करण्यात आलेला आहे. We are responsible citizens of the world, so we have to become confident and face the challenges of life successfully. Effective use of language is necessary, so the primary focus is given on enhancing the linguistic skill of the student by concentrating on essential aspects of grammar and enrichment of vocabulary. या अभ्यासक्रमात इंग्रजी भाषिक विकासासाठी भाषिक कौशल्ये, ग्रामर म्हणजेच व्याकरण तसेच वोकॅब्युलरी म्हणजे शब्दसंग्रह यावर भर देण्यात आला आहे. Apart from the professional and technical qualification of the employees, the present day employers generally looks for certain soft skills which relate to some positive personality traits, attitudes and social skills. Hence, the course includes unit on some essential soft skills. The course is thus a value-oriented and a skill-based course. रोजगाराच्या दृष्टिकोनातून तांत्रिक प्रशिक्षण व्यतिरिक्त आवश्यक असणारे सॉफ्ट स्किल, व्यक्तिगत व सामाजिक कौशल्ये यावर आधारित घटकांचा यात समावेश करण्यात आलेला आहे. नाउ लेट्स फोकस ऑन द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ दिस कोर्स. To expose students to the best example of literature in English and to contribute to their emotional quotient as well as independent thinking. To instill universal human values through the best pieces of literature in English. To develop effective communication skills by developing the ability to use the right words in the right context. To enhance the employability of the student by developing their basic soft skills, to revise and reinforce the learning of some important areas of grammar or better in linguistic competence. Each semester shall have 3 credits for teaching. Each credit is equal to 15 hours, so this course shall have 45 teaching hours. In addition to that, there shall be 3 hours allotted to internal evaluation. It is equally applicable to all papers courses. Considering the choice-based credit system and the semester pattern, both semester 3rd and 4th will have a uniform evaluation pattern of 100 marks each. There will be an internal examination for 30 marks and semester end examination for 70 marks. म्हणजेच हा कोर्स एकूण 3 क्रेडिटचा असून अध्यापनासाठी एकूण 1 क्रेडिट बरोबर 15 तासिका याप्रमाणे 45 तासिका असून अंतर्गत मूल्यमापन करण्यासाठी 3 तास आहेत. 30 गुण अंतर्गत मूल्यमापनासाठी असून 70 गुणांची सत्रांत परीक्षा आहे. The internal examination for 30 marks will be conducted at the college level. Firstly, assignment group discussion, tutorial, seminar, oral project for 10 marks, and secondly a mid-semester written test for 20 marks. अंतर्गत मूल्यमापन यामध्ये असाइनमेंट, ग्रुप डिस्कशन, ट्युटोरियल, सेमिनार, ओरल प्रोजेक्ट यापैकी कोणतीही एक 10 गुणांसाठी असेल आणि 20 गुणांची मध्य सत्रांत परीक्षा ठेवण्यात आलेली आहे. Prescribed text for this course is Panorama, Values and Skills through Literature, which is by Board of Editors, Orient Blackstone. We have 5 main units which include sub-units too. Unit first is based on prose sections and which will be for 12 clock hours. This includes A Simple Philosophy by Settle, The Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore, The Varga by Somerset Maugham. Unit 2 is based on poetry sections and which will be for 12 clock hours. This includes The Palanquin Bearers by Sarojini Naidu, On the Grasshopper and the Cricket by John Keats, Paid Beauty by George Manley Hopkins. Unit 3 is based on grammar sections and which will be for 12 clock hours. This includes the passive voice, direct indirect speech, negative sentences. Then unit 4 is based on vocabulary and which will be for 12 clock hours. This includes one word substitutes, idioms, suffixes and prefixes. Unit 5 is based on soft skills and which will be for 5 clock hours, and it includes leadership skill, teamwork skills. My all dear students, I hope that this video lecture is being informative to you. For the more videos, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when a new video will be arrived. Thank you all and enjoy your day.